All right, this is the Air Hydraulics model C400A air over hydraulic press. It's 10 ton at 100 psi. It has the dual palm anti-tie downs, and as you can see, it's bench mounted.
Bench mounted. And it's in nice shape too, sure. It looks good, works even better, right? So, I mean, not much to look at other than the tooling area right here. You do have the knockout pins and cylinder on this one, but other people add to that whatever they need. If you don't need that, it's easy enough, I guess, to take out the cylinder and the pins whenever you change out your tooling and really just cap off the lines. That's all this smaller 532 circuitry going down there. That's all for the knockout cylinder. You'll see it happening here, and that's the way we're going to ship, and people can do pretty much what they want. And this is really the only thing to look at, the air package, the main two regulators, the coalescing filter up here which for the incoming air, because this thing loses a lot of air when you're really hitting it. The two regulators, the two oilers, that's all working good. 4-way valve, air pressure switch, it's all good. Put a new muffler on there because it was missing, so we got that on there. And as you work your way up towards the top, the oil reservoir for the upper cylinder, because it is air over oil, as the name implies. So we got air coming in, and we got our control voltage coming in, which is 110, as you can see, just an extension cord. And that's all it really needs to fire out that 110 valve over here. Nothing much on this side. We got a book for maintenance and operating, which kind of helps a little bit, a small pamphlet, and then a couple of pieces of tooling that I imagine these screw up into the ram there, and it's always useful to have. A couple anti-tie down switches here. An adjustable ram, of course, which is up inside there. If you pull that cover off, there's a nut up there. You can't see it, but take my word for it. It's adjustable, and I think the book even spells it out, what you can adjust it to on the course setting. And then, of course, you've got your stroke right here. So that's all there is to it. The anti-tie down works, and there's a timer in here. So you'll see me hold it, and it's for only about 2 seconds, but it can go up to 15-20 seconds, I think. You can have a long hold down stroke if need be, but we're just going to leave well enough alone right here with what we've got. We'll fire it up a few times. The air compressor will probably kick in, so I'm done talking. We're going to just fire it up, and you can kind of watch the pin set and the ram come down, and I'll hold it. You got to hold for the cycle to finish. If you take your hands off while it's coming down, it'll just sit there. It will not time out until you get your hands back on the switches. So here's this. Air is on. Yeah, air is on already. Any more from the side or anything? Or
Hit it again.